is Kurt Raedle. I'm with Watco Manufacturing out of Kansas City, Missouri, and the National Sales Manager for MRO products, which is heavily influenced by hotel owners and apartment owners. So hotel owners, certainly AAHOA ties in very nicely with what we do and the products that we offer. Coming to AAHOA for close to 10 years, and it's been a great avenue for us to showcase our products and demonstrate what we do. We form a lot of relationships with the AAHOA owners. Over the years, we get to see this, some of the new same people year after year. But the best part is that we find that they're a very loyal group. They tend to bring their constituents with them by our booth and show them the products, especially if they've had good success with them, with ours. And so we find it a very valuable show to not only maintain those relationships, but to grow relationships, with some of the new hotel owners and some of the up-and-coming people in AAHOA. Things we've done is come out with this product called Universal New Fit. We know at hotel properties around the country, one of the biggest complaints is bathtub drains and the hair and the clogs that they get in those drains. So we invented a kind of proprietary product that makes keeping hair clogs and stuff at a minimum. So very quickly, the way it works is instead of removing your old tub drain, we're just going to cover it up with a new and innovative product. It comes with different pins for different threads inside and silicone in case you have to glue it down. But the essential job of the product is to simply turn your old cruddy drain into a new drain very quickly. In this case, I'm going to use the pin. So we're just going to screw this down, cover up the drain. Okay, and this product comes in 12 different finishes, and this also has a built-in grid. The grid is great because it keeps hair and other debris from going down the drain, and it looks like this. So one of the nice things that a lot of the hotel owners here at AAHOA like is it's preventative maintenance. They can keep all the hair and other debris from going down the drain by installing this product, which takes literally 30 seconds, and it's a nice, quick, easy way to refresh your tub drain and also prevent future problems and work orders in the hotel, which is clogged drains and things related to that.